Hi everyone, I am Usha Taneja Utsav and welcome you back on my YouTube channel UT Style and Beauty. Today I am going to show you how to self makeup for a soft look, day look. Yes. First, prep your skin by tapping and massaging your skin muscles and then apply moisturizer. Here I am applying Clinique moisturizer, which is good for skin, and then foundation. This is from NARS. I am applying on my face in drops and then applying with my fingers gently on my neck, also forehead and the side of cheeks. Then I applying the blush with a brush in stroke upward and towards the temple, forehead and on the chin. Then I am going to merge it with my skin. It blends with the moisturizer nicely. This is powder blush because my skin is oily and I prefer liquid or powder. And then this is uh, eyeshadow eyeshadow number 7. I'm applying the same color in 3 shades: light, lighter and a bit dark, and it is darker from the outer corner of my eyes. I'm trying to blend it well, and then I'm going to blend it in under the eyes waterline, that is waterline under it. I am trying to smudge it very gently so that the brush does not get into the eye. Then it is a liner, Maybelline Collagen liner. I'm trying to do it on my lash line, upper lash line, very lightly and gently, making it a fine line that is not too wide because it's a day look. Taking care of not spreading it outside. From the inner side, the line is going to the outer side and making a fine line. Yes, now it's okay. And then this is kajal on my waterline. It There is need of taking care while applying these pointed things. And the outer line should also be in the same color and thickness. Take it a little bit out to give a wide look. See it carefully. Wherever it's left, it's missing, the liner should be applied there also. Once again touching to the lower eyelash. The outer side is thicker. And now the eyebrows. I'm using Revlon eyebrow, gray color. Yeah, how's it? And now the highlighter under the eyebrow and the eyeshadow, in between eyeshadow and eyebrow, to make it look high. That's why it's a highlighter. It gives the perfect shape to the eyebrows and eyeshadow eyes. Yes, this is how I am repairing this mistake. And now between the nose, on the nose and upper side of the cheeks, the same highlighter is being used. Now the eye is ready. Do it on the same on the left eye. And now the lipstick. This is lipstick from NARS, the peach color, pinkish peach color. I'm trying to make an edge line with the shape of the lipstick. Take care, it should not go out. Rub the lips, smooth it, and the final touch. Here the lip is done. Now the mascara. This is MAC waterproof mascara from MAC. On the lower eyelashes also. Roll the mascara brush gently so that it does not touch the skin under circles. Apply it on other side also. And I am especially thankful to Beauty with Himani Taneja, who provided me some of these products. And now the jewelry to finish the look. It's light color and light in weight jewelry. This I bought from Amazon. Now the look is ready. A soft day look. A summer day and natural look. Here it is. How I found my dress. This is again from Amazon, which I bought just 2 days back. It's very inexpensive and beautifully stitched and fit. I love this dress. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you for watching.